Do you suffer from boring light syndrome? Do you have a snooze fest of a light? Well, I got the light for you today. Check out this bad boy. 20-inch Lumary ceiling fan. It's got some funky colors. It's got some great features. I'm going to show you how to install it, and we're going to give it a review. Let's go. First things first, you're going to have to get the light off. But before, safety first, turn your breaker off. Nobody needs to get zapped. All right, I'm just going to speed right through this removal. I don't think everybody's got the same light, but if you have the same light, it's pretty simple. They're all kind of the same basics. They all have a bracket. You got your two wires, maybe three, one for ground. Remove the brackets, disconnect the wires, make sure the breaker's off so you don't get zapped. And on to the new light. Here we go. You're going to start with the base. I definitely appreciate the feature of the wire in here so you don't have to hold it. You can just do it by yourself. Look at that. Easy peasy. Now you're just going to grab your wires, take the wire nuts that came along with the kit, and connect them. Your black is going to be your power wire, which could be black, red, any sort of color. Just make sure it's the power wire. And then your neutral is going to be white for the most part. Who knows with crazy house wiring. But you're just going to wire nut those together, connect your ground, and you'll be good to go. This is all going to go in very smoothly, super easy. One try.
2 hours later.
So what I thought was going to be easy turned out to be a pain. Just because when I was hanging the light, which is a nice feature, pulled that little hook down and I couldn't slide the base on. So before you go to set the light on the base, make sure that hook's out of the way. And you'll slide right into these two little holes. She's a beaut, Clark. Now we're going to go turn on the breaker. See if it turns on. All right, breaker on. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Party time, party time. We got a remote. Black it there. Let's check out the fan speed. To the max. To 1. As you can hear, this fan is no louder than any other ceiling fan. I would actually tend to say that this is a little quieter than a normal ceiling fan on full blast. And there's endless amounts of lights set up. You can set it to music. It's controlled by Amazon or Alexa, whatever you want to call it. This thing's got features. I mean, look at all these features. Voice control. You could have multiple tied together. It can even sync with your music. Oh my lord. Let's check out the app. I'll screen record it and you guys can see it as I see it. All right, here's the app. Pretty simple to use. This is all the colors you can use, the brightness scale. These are all the little DIYs. Fan speed, look, it can go to music. I mean, this thing really does it all. If you want a smart light and a fan put together, this is the one. In the link below, click it, get you one. Job done.